Hi there, I hope everybody is doing well. We're going to be doing another XTP and a Tap Global update. So, before I start, if you want to sign up to Tap Global, down below in the description, there is a link there where you can actually get their app and basically just check it out, see what you think. It doesn't cost you any money, it just costs you a little bit of time. And you can also, while you're on the app, check out what benefits you get in terms of the Tap Global debit card that you can also get, which is also great for using abroad for the exchange rates and such. I used it when I went to Tenerife. Absolutely fantastic. Didn't get any charges or anything like that, so that was all extra bonus, but it's worth just downloading it, check it out, see what you think. Without further ado, let's get into Tap Global and XTP. So as I said before, if you want to sign up to Tap Global, you can go to their website, which is www.withtap.com, and you can see that on the top of the bar here, and also like it's in the description below too. So yeah, lots of things going on in the crypto market. We've got BlackRock joining in onto Bitcoin and crypto, and also we've had a lot of forward from the Gary Gensler regarding Binance and Coinbase regarding securities for like coins like Cardano, ADA, Solana. You know, it's all been going, you can't make it up, it's all been going on, and it's been causing a lot of fear in the market. But because we've been having a lot of this from BlackRock, Fidelity and such like, we've started to get a bit of volatility coming back in the market, and it's going a bit green, and it's a bit of a relief, to be honest with you, from just seeing red and doom and gloom. So XTP, or should I say Tap Global. So we know Binance at the moment is basically withdrawn their application due to the UK financial watchdog. Basically cancels Binance permissions on firms' request, which is absolutely fantastic for like Tap Global, because obviously when you've got such a big competitor like Binance coming into space, actually that is going to be quite a big sort of business to go against. But you know, we have got other exchanges in the UK, but this also opens up for Tap Global as well to get more users on board. So when you see things, I don't want to see any exchange, just to make it clear, I don't want to see any exchange go under or anything like that. And I'm pretty sure Binance isn't, or Coinbase are not going to go under, or Crypto.com or such like. They're all, to me, you know, they're all going to be here. They're busy, they've got a lot of users, all those have, but this is actually an example where you could get XTP, or should I say Tap Global company, to actually utilize this and to get more users on board, to use the debit cards, to buy more XTP. So when you see news like that, I feel quite bullish about it, because as long as they can get out there to the UK public about what they do, that is going to be a good catalyst to get more users on board, to actually increase it. Because the more users we get on board, the better it is, and the more people that buy XTP, the better it is. So what we want is, we also want XTP to get on to more exchanges as well. That's one thing that I'm hoping it'll be coming relatively soon, because obviously the more exchanges we go on, obviously the more liquidity comes into the space for XTP. You know, but it is all good, because like I said, we had this here regarding the trading update, which was absolutely fantastic, from 30,000 users to 144,000 users. You know, so they're doing really, really well. And hopefully when we get the next results, and obviously, hopefully those numbers come up, because don't forget, when that bull market comes back, obviously there's fingers crossed we're going to get more users on the Tap Global app too, and we're going to get more buyers to get more liquidity for the XTP token as well, so we can get that price moving up further. So, you know, but it's all good. So obviously with XTP, there was a lot of anticipation about the United States, but unfortunately, I think they've sort of done the right thing. I really do think they've done the right thing by holding off until the clarity is there regarding the US and the SEC, basically, and Gary Gensler has gone and such like. So they've done the right thing. They haven't just, because of us, wanted them to come into the US, go to the US. they've held firm and basically just stayed away just for now. They're not going to go there. They're just waiting to see the regulatory clarity come out, which is actually, from a business sense, is a very, very good thing to do. And it makes me more bullish about the company because we know they're taking everything serious and they're doing the right thing for the users. So once the clarity comes into America, I'm pretty sure they're going to be there all in. Into America, going in there, getting new users and such like. But no doubt, behind closed doors, they are building in other countries to go into other countries too. And also, no doubt, they're building there to get on other exchanges as well. So behind closed doors, there's probably a lot of things going on. Obviously, they can't just come on Twitter and say things because obviously they've got, they're on the stock markets and they've got to conform to what legislators say. So, everything that comes out will come on an RNS feed or on their website. But it's all looking good. And obviously we've had the CEO come aboard as well, so that, the CEO's got a lot of experience in the finance sector and payment sector. So that's all good. Like I said, they keep building this team and fresh ideas will be coming out. We know that Jordan from the Martini Guy is having a lot of things to do with Tap Global as well, and obviously he's got his car with the logo on and such like. But so there's lots and lots of things going on in Tap Global. Everything takes time. This is a fairly young company. So we get a lot of people coming on and footing it and saying it's a scam. But every token you're going to get, every project you get on crypto space, will be saying something else about another project. That's a scam. Everything's a scam. But yeah, it's just noise. Ignore it and keep pushing forward. So let's have a quick look at the charts, see what's been going on there too. Yeah, so looking at the chart, I'll put this on a daily chart here. We've been on a basically, as you can see on here, like a downward slope really, heading all the way down to here where we've dropped down around about 70. Yeah, we've come down a fair bit, but with what's going on at the moment with crypto, Bitcoin's been pumping up, and obviously all the altcoins end up following it. And what's happened is here with XTP, it looks like we've sort of bottomed out around this area here, because we've sort of broken this channel as well, which is really bullish actually. We've broken this channel. This software that I'm using on here is LuxAlgo. But we've got a trend catcher here, which is basically the trend here has been moving down. But on the daily, which makes it really interesting, it looks like we've sort of bottomed out here, because look, the trend catcher has been caught, and gradually here we have turned green. And we've also broken through that channel. So we've got this line of support here, as you can see here. So the next line of resistance is up at this price around about here, which would be another, if I get the chart from where we are now, would be another 65% up. So we've got a nice bit of resistance here to get through. Obviously, we've got Bitcoin moving up, then obviously that's going to push alts, and it might well push XTP up. But obviously, as more good news comes out regarding Tap Global and exchanges for XTP, obviously that's going to make everything more bullish and push the price up. But what's really nice is we've got a sort of like a bullish signal right here that we're pushing up. The bulls are trying to push it up here, and we've got this on the daily, which is a really, really, really good sign. And like I said, as long as the crypto space starts to move back up, we're going to move back up too. And like I said, so we've broken the channel. Trend catcher has been caught again, which is all green. And in terms of at the moment, it's been a fairly been going down and down and down, and now we're starting to get those shoots of green now starting to come up. And if you've bought down here, a pat on the back for that, and I'm never going to say we can't go down again. We start turning over and making our way further down. You can't ever say it's never going to happen. You just don't know. You can follow the charts, and that's all you can do really. So as long as crypto is all bullish and we keep pushing up, and then I can't see why we're not going to go up any further. Just go watch this line here of resistance around this port, but we've created a nice bit of support here as well. Like, so we've sort of broken, like I said, broken that downtrend. So hopefully we can keep pushing up. So if you bought down below here, you're nicely in profit. But you know, I sort of been buying obviously as we've been going down, but you know, it ends up working out as we start pushing back up. So it cost itself out anyway. So it's looking all good. So regarding Tap Global, I'm still remaining bullish. I think we've got a lot of things which will be coming up shortly, I would have thought, in terms of maybe potential, like I said before in this video, that hopefully we're going to get more exchanges. That's what we need. We need more exchanges. We need them also just to be a bit more on. I like to see them, to be honest, a bit more active on Twitter. And you know, in terms of things, just doing those little things, what they were doing, like competitions and such like, because the more people in terms of market, because this is the one thing, like Crypto.com is a lot bigger company, but Crypto.com, they've done, their marketing is absolutely one of the best in the crypto space. And I feel like Tap Global needs, obviously they're not probably, I don't know if they've got the money to do that, what they do, but you know, they need to be a bit more, I think, a little bit more proactive on the Twitter space or on Instagram or Facebook, those social media, because that's where the people get to know, not just YouTube, but people get to know. And then obviously you're going to get more users coming on, because people get inquisitive, they'll check things out. They don't like it, they won't bother with it. But if a lot of people will check things out. So the only thing I say to them, get out there, get more social media interactions, and get more exchanges. So anyway, I hope this video's helped you out. It's like I said, hopefully I'll do another one as more news progresses. But if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, always much appreciated. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.